Now to the latest developments in the trial of Alex Murdaugh. The defense rested its case yesterday after calling Murdaugh's younger brother as its final witness. The emotional testimony revealed new details about the night of the murders. ABC's Eva Pilgrim has the story.
One step closer to the jury deciding Alex Murdaugh's fate, the disgraced former attorney accused of killing his wife and son.
Defense rests, Your Honor.
The defense team resting after calling Murdaugh's younger brother as their final witness. John Marvin emotional, remembering his sister-in-law and nephew.
Excuse me, I'm going to have a hard time talking about Paul because we had a very special relationship.
Alex's brother breaking down, describing finding evidence of his nephew's remains after police released the crime scene.
And I started cleaning. And I can promise you, no mother or father or aunt or uncle should ever have to see and do what I did that day.
John Marvin vowing he'd find the killer.
Promised him that I'd find out who did this to him.
Have you found out?
I have not.
Alex's brother revealing he spoke on the phone with Alex the night of the murders, just minutes after the state says Maggie and Paul were killed.
What was his demeanor when you spoke with him on the evening of the 7th?
Same as always, just normal.
Alex maintains he didn't discover his family's bodies until later that night, but admitting he lied about being at the dog kennel minutes before they died. The state pressing John Marvin on his brother's lie.
Would you agree that that is not full cooperation?
By him not telling SLED that he was at the kennel?
Correct.
I would say that yes, he lied.
This as the defense paints a very different picture of what they say happened that night, contradicting the state. A crime scene expert saying one shooter couldn't have killed both Maggie and Paul.
My opinion is the totality of the evidence is more suggestive of a two-shooter scenario.
That expert arguing there wasn't enough time for a single shooter to kill Paul, switch guns, and kill Maggie.
And the jurors are scheduled to see the crime scene Wednesday morning. The defense team saying they want them to see just how small it is and the close proximity of the two bodies. Eva Pilgrim